my channel, subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review VLCC Diamond Facial Kit and will show you a quick demo how you can use this easily at your home. Without further ado, let's get started. VLCC Diamond Facial Kit, it retails for Rs 350 and you use this kit twice. And this is a 6-step facial system. The first step is pre-facial step. This has 2-in-1 formula and this acts as a cleanser as well as a toner. This cleanses your skin, minimizes your pores and also prepares your skin before facial.
How you can apply this is very easy. You just have to apply it on your face and on your neck and massage your skin in circular motion. Do not rub it. Just massage your skin in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe it off with clean water, or you can wipe off with moist cotton or moist wipes.
Second step is scrubbing. This is a diamond scrub and this contains jojoba oil and diamond bhasma. What scrubbing generally does is scrubbing helps to exfoliate your dead skin cells and helps to remove toxins from your skin, as well as it helps to improve blood circulation.
You have to apply this on your face and on your neck area, and just you have to gently massage it in circular motions for at least 5 to 7 minutes and then again wipe off with clean water, moist cotton or moist wipe.
Is diamond detox lotion and this contains diamond bhasma and olive oil, and what this step does is this detoxifies your skin and also rejuvenates your skin. And how to use this is very simple again.
You just have to apply this lotion onto your skin, like on your face and on your neck area, and gently with your fingertips try to massage on your skin until this lotion totally gets absorbed into your skin.
Fourth step is diamond massage gel, and this again contains diamond bhasma as well as aloe vera extract. Now,
how to apply this on your skin is again very easy. You just have to take it on your fingertips and apply it all over your face and your neck area. Massage it gently for 10 to 15 minutes in circular motion and also in upward motion, and again wipe off with moist cotton or moist wipe.
Step is diamond wash off mask and contains diamond bhasma and orange peel extract.
You just have to apply it on your face and on your neck areas, and do not apply it around your eyes. Avoid applying around your eyes, and you just have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe off with moist cotton or moist wipes.
And the last step is this post facial step, which is oil free moisturizing gel. This contains aloe vera and this also contains SPF 15 PA+.
You just have to apply it on your face and on your neck area and then just leave it. The facial is over.
Guys, that's all in today's video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you find this helpful, then you know what you have to do. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel guys, do subscribe my channel. Also leave a comment like what kind of videos you want me to make on my channel, and also to comment below whether this facial kit is worth the price or not. I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.